This thing is heavy. I'm gonna end up using 2 routers off of 1 fiber cable because my 1 router has 150 devices on it, and it's only rated for about 15 to 20, and it's starting to have a network delay. When you search, it'll just come up and say error, and then it'll load. So I'm gonna get myself a couple more routers going. Too many smart stuff around me, and then the neighbor uses the Wi-Fi, and they have a bunch of devices, so never ending, and I like to share. So here's how it came wrapped. Link will be in the description below. I actually paid $15 for this, which is great. It's a powered... I was trying to read it. I'm like, what? Why can't I read it? It's in a different language. This whole thing's in a different language. Oh, hold on. 5 gigabit Ethernet. Ideal for small offices. It says it handles a gigabyte speed. I'm running 500. So it should work good. See, we're going to end up doing this. That'll work good. It's nice it's on the box. See how it comes packaged, and then we will set it up, which it should be almost a plug and play. This is brand new. Again, the link will be in the description below. It's a 5-port instead of a larger one. Didn't quite need that many. My router does have some stuff on it. Some ports. Just typical stuff. If you guys want to read that, pause it, screenshot it. This is in a different language. There's a charge brick. I wish they'd always like do something different with this. This always takes up so much room. The output on it is 5 volt 0.7 amp. Why can't they make that into just a USB, so you plug in a USB instead? No, they gotta make it all complicated. NETGEAR sticker, not even ripped until now. This thing is heavy. Boy. Metal construction, no fan. Has wall mounts. GS305 version 3. There's your keystone lock. Your 5 volt. Almost looks like that hinges, but it doesn't. Got yourself maybe the input there, and then a standard status indicator light, and then light on each one. Very nice. Nice little grips for on the table. It is heavy. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Let's go set it up.